All right, in this problem, we're given that y is the midpoint of xz, and that xy is 2x plus 1, and xz is 7x minus 16. And the question says, solve for x and solve for yz. Well, the very first thing we probably need here is a picture. So let's draw a picture of what this looks like. So here's a line segment, and this will be point x. This will be point z, because it says y is the midpoint of xz. So y needs to be in the middle. And I'm going to mark these two sides to show that they're equal to each other, because that's what a midpoint means, that two pieces are going to be equal. All right, so if I go to label these pieces, it says that xy is 2x plus 1. And then it says that xz is 7x minus 16. All right. The very first problem that most students have is they say this is equal to this because they see the word midpoint and they know that they're going to have piece equals piece. But these two pieces are not equal to each other. This is a part and this is the whole thing. I know that these two pieces are equal to each other. So if this piece is 2x plus 1, that means that this piece is 2x plus 1 also. Now, some students would also, sorry about that, some students would also say that 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, that's true. These two pieces up here do equal each other. But if you try to solve this, as soon as you start solving it, when you go to subtract 2x from both sides, 2x minus 2x is 0, 2x minus 2x is 0, and you wind up with just 1 is equal to 1. That doesn't help us solve for x, so this is not helpful. What we need is an equation so that we can solve for x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do piece plus piece equals the whole thing. So again, that piece plus piece equals whole. So 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to the whole thing, which is 7x minus 16. Now I'm in business. So let's solve this equation. 2x plus 2x is 4x. That looks like a 9. Positive 1 plus 1 is plus 2. And 7x minus 16. All right, so now let's subtract 4x from both sides. Makes that ugly one go away. So I've got a 2 over here. 7x minus 4x is 3x minus 16. And then I can add 16 to both sides. And I can get that 18 is equal to 3x, because this canceled out. When you divide by 3, you get that 6 is equal to x. This answers the first part of the question. Solve for x, x is equal to 6. All right, now we need to work on the second part of the question where it said find yz. Well, yz right here is 2x plus 1, so I just need to plug this x value in right here. So 2 times my value for x, which is 6, plus 1. 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 is how big yz is, and that answers the second part of the question.